Hello everyone, I'm Tommy. No, I'm Andy, your English-speaking driving instructor. And we got a dash cam from IZEEKER. It's the ID400 with a 4K resolution with 30 frames per second, or you can switch it down to full high definition and then you have 60 frames per second. It comes with a 32 gigabytes memory card, it's already included. Some cables are hopefully inside to install in the car, and it has an angle of 170 degrees. So I will test it. First we open the box and then we install it into the car. Let's see. So here it is. We can open the package here. Some manuals. Here's the camera. The protection foil, also in the front. Here's the power plug, here's the hole for the mount, here's the card already inside, microphone and speaker, some buttons to control. Great. Here's another package, so this one is empty, nothing more in. And what do we have here? Cable connection. Empty. Bye bye. A USB-A cord from, USB-A to USB-C. I think that's for sharing the data or for charging, but we have another one here. That's the car plug, 12 volts. This goes into the camera. It has no rear camera, only front camera. This is trash. This is the suction. Mount for the window. It's a good one. Okay, this will be connected easily to here. This is turnable. Cool. That's the front, that's the rear. Perfect. Okay, let's go into the car and see how the quality is.